everyone, today as you can tell by the title I'm going to be sharing with you this do-it-yourself flower letter. I got the inspiration to do this from someone here on YouTube. Her channel name is Nathalie'S. I hope I didn't butcher that. But all you're going to need is some faux flowers, of course. You can find these at the craft store, Walmart, dollar store, pretty much anywhere. You're going to need a foam board. This one's a little thin. I wish I would have gotten a thicker one, but it did the trick. You're going to need some ribbon, pencil, a blade, and some scissors. But then I come to find out that you don't really need a blade, you can just use scissors. And then you would also need, obviously, a hot glue gun. So what I'm doing is obviously just starting off by tracing out the word, or the letter I should say, the letter N for Natalie, because of course her name is Natalie, our little precious angel. And I'm just tracing it out, trying to make sure it's aligned, and then as you can tell pretty soon it's going to be looking a mess. But this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, so for my first time it wasn't the greatest, but it was definitely not the worst, and I definitely had fun doing it. So basically I'm just tracing that out and then cutting it with the blade. Again, I realized this was really messy and it didn't really cut straight using a blade. My husband then recommended that next time I do it, I try to use scissors because it'll probably work better since the foam board was so thin. But yeah, so I'm tracing, or not tracing, but I'm cutting everything out now. And once that's done, you'll see that the floor is all clean. Yay! Because I'm OCD and I hate seeing it messy, so I had a vacuum. And then I'm just laying out all the flowers, trying to figure out what I want to do. And I was trying to cut them with the scissors because I didn't realize that the inside had like wire in them because I'm retarded. So then I was like, oh wow, I can just pull off the actual head. And I'm just kind of placing them around, trying to see where I want everything. And I wanted it to be like a little bit of pop of pink, but then a lot of whites and green. So that's why there's not too much pink in it, except for that one center pink flower in the middle, and then the two light pink with white on the corners. But I just really wanted it to be kind of like neutral, but just like a little bit of pop of pink. And now, obviously, I'm gluing everything together. Also, I would recommend cutting off the stem from the flower head, if that's even the right term. If you do this, you'll see that when you pull off the flower part, there'll be like a little plastic stem, and you'll have to cut that off because it just won't glue correctly to the foam board. So definitely cut those off so that it can glue straight and flat onto the board. And as I was editing this video, I was like, dang, I didn't realize it took me like 2 hours to do this whole thing. Like, I didn't think it was going to take me this long, but as I was editing and putting all the clips together, I was like, dang, I'm going to have to fast forward all this like really quick because nobody's going to watch a friggin' 2-hour video, obviously, but I definitely cut it down for you guys. Here I just wanted to show you the progress, and as I was looking at it, I decided to cut off the leaves off of some of the stems and glue them on to the sides and kind of have them be poking out to give it more of like a leafy effect, because I felt like it was missing some green, and that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just measuring out how long I want the ribbon to be where I'm going to actually hang it on the wall from. So I just put glue on the back of the letter and stuck the ribbon on there. And I'm creating my own little bow. I am not a pro at this. I definitely don't know how to make a bow. It looks like one in the video for sure, but it was the power of the glue. If I tried to fold a bow, it would have looked horrible. But that's that, and this is what it looks like, and I was actually really satisfied with it. So yeah, this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration if you did like it. It's really easy to do. It's just a little bit time consuming, and I'm just so happy that I got to make something myself to add to my baby's room, and I'm just so excited to start decorating even more now. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see when I post my baby's nursery tour when it's done. And I just really want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.